guys, Chris Donnelly here with Guarantee RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Forest River Forester. This is going to be the 2420 model. Let's go inside. Coming into the 2420 here, this is a beautiful floor plan that mixes a lot of the great things that are in the bigger ones in a shorter package. But this has a long list of things to talk about. First off, overhead, you're going to have the entertainment center with some extra storage instead of the bed. This is going to be great for couples or people that don't need that but do want something nice out of the way and in good view of wherever someone wants to sit. Coming over to the U-shaped dinette, this does make into a bed. There is storage underneath each side here, and of course your overhead storage. Great big picture window allowing plenty of light in, complemented by the sunlight coming through the ceiling there above. Right across we've got a galley with solid surface countertops. Of course, all of your common amenities here coming from the kitchen, including a 6 cubic foot fridge and easy access to all the controls. Your bed is also in a slide. This is 2 separate slides here. Nice full queen size bed, easy to walk around. And what I really like about this model is you kind of have an ensuite bathroom in this one. You have a place that feels like a master bathroom. Lots of storage in here, and again you've got a separate water closet directly across from the bed, so when this is in you can still access the toilet. A lot of features to go over on the outside, but the best thing about this is, again, you're in a 24-foot package. You're going to be getting into a lot of places very easily. This has a great mixture of storage, again, with the size. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this quick tour of the 2420 Forester. It's a beautiful rig. This thing is small, but it has a lot to offer. So you're going to have more questions, and I'm sure you're going to want to see it in person. So I'm happy to show it to you. Come pay us a visit.